channel. Hearts. It's the hearting. It's the hearting. Okay, so today we have another wig install. I know, everyone's upset. I don't care. We really don't care. We don't care. But today's video is sponsored by Xrsbeauty Hair. Can y'all see that? Xrsbeauty Hair. Yeah. So they sent me this nice 18-inch straight wig. Yeah. Yes. You see that? You see the hair? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. With that being said, before we install this wig, does have this new clear lace that I keep hearing about. So I have two samples here to show you guys. I have a sample of transparent lace. See, right here we have a sample of transparent lace. And I'm gonna show you the difference between that and this new clear lace. Yes, it's taking the wigs by storm, this thing. So I'm gonna apply them to my arm with some, with some glue spray, and we finna get into it. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm scared. No, I'm not scared. I know what I'm doing. So first we're going to apply the transparent lace. And with transparent lace, it's just thicker and it's a little harder to blend into the skin compared to like clear lace, which, you know, literally is clear. So it's harder to see it on your skin and stuff like that. So we're gonna go, wait. Ah, it's cold. Wait, should we blow dry? We should blow dry. You wanna make sure it's tacky so it's thick on there. Okay, period. Where did it go? Okay, so here's the transparent lace and I'm just gonna put it on my arm. Like so, like that. To give you an idea how it would look if you like try to blend into your skin. Let me move this camera so just the teeth. And to give you an idea for how it's gonna look when it blends into the skin, I'm gonna go ahead and spray over it one more time. So as you can see here, you wanna press it down a little bit. That way it really, you know, gets down and dirty. Okay, boom. So here's the transparent lace. You see, it's nice and blended in there. And this works really good with like got to be spray. Really good for blending, you know what I'm saying? But I'm finna show you guys how this new clear lace looks in comparison to the transparent lace. So I'm just gonna put it like right here. We're gonna do the same thing. Hold on. Switchy. So this right here is the transparent lace, which is thicker, so it's a little harder to blend in. But then this is the clear lace. Girl, you can't even see it. Tell me that don't look like my arm. Tell me that don't look like my arm. See, you can clearly tell the difference. See, over here, closer to like my sleeve, is the transparent lace, and then here's the clear lace. You can't even see the clear lace. I cannot make this up. Hold on. We finna get in the window so y'all see what I'm talking about. Hold on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Up here is the, let me put this here. So up here at the top, this is the clear lace right here, and you can't even see it for real. And then this one that you can kind of see is the transparent lace. So, you know, obviously the clear lace is a lot better for like blending and stuff like that into your scalp. And girl, this is gonna give the girls the au naturel look. Let's go ahead and get into this wig.
Like that back when I met her. The lavish life from on the ghost month. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying less on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I need myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I need myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the quality in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? You're my baby, send action. These days, oh my yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this stuff shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die.
So I'm I'm done with my hair, and I zoomed in real quick so I can show you guys how the clear lace like blended into my skin. Yes, mom. This is so much more natural than like other pre-plucked hairlines and stuff like that. Yeah, she's cute. All right, so I'm done with my hair, obviously, and of course this hair is from Xrsbeauty, okay? The way that they make their clear laces is very natural, and it melts into like the skin, mucho grande, perfectly. So like I was saying, clear lace is it, girl. This like came out my scalp, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm done, and so all of the information for this hair will be linked in the description box below. Go ahead and do you, girl. Go ahead and melt that lace, beat that face. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you next time I decide to do my hair again. It's gonna happen. We all foresee it. I'm just claiming it right now. Bye, I love you.